For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of slaving away over a hot stove, only to be met with soggy, tasteless meals that are more like science experiments gone wrong? We know it can be overwhelming, especially when there are so many products on the market promising to make your life easier. But here's what surprised me about the Dash Rapid Electric Food Steamer. /N. I was expecting a clunky, hard-to-use appliance, but boy was I wrong. This thing is sleek, modern, and actually gets the job done without any fuss or mess. /N. Therefore, you're probably wondering why I'm not just raving on about how amazing this product is. The thing is, I've been using it for a few weeks now, and while it's great at steaming veggies and even cooking rice, there are some major limitations that I need to bring up if you want the full story. Act 1. Hooking the viewer. As someone who loves trying out new kitchen gadgets, I was excited to give the Dash Rapid Electric Food Steamer a shot. The promise of quick and easy meal prep without sacrificing flavor or nutrients is a tantalizing one. /N. But here's the thing. Even with all the bells and whistles, this product falls short in some key areas that might make you think twice before buying it. I'll get to those concerns in a minute, but first let me give you a brief rundown of what I liked about this appliance. The design is modern and compact, making it perfect for small kitchens or college dorms. /N. Therefore, if you're looking for something that's easy on the eyes and won't take up too much space, you might be in luck. Act 2. Deep dive. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. As I mentioned earlier, one of my main concerns with this product is its performance. /N. But here's what surprised me. Even when following the instructions to the letter, I found that some foods came out a bit too mushy or undercooked. /N. Therefore, if you're planning on relying on this thing for your daily meals, be prepared for some trial and error to get it just right. Another issue I had was with the cleaning process. Now, I know what you're thinking. Cleaning is part of cooking. But trust me when I say that this appliance requires a lot more elbow grease than most other steamer models out there. /N. Therefore, if you value your sanity and don't want to spend hours scrubbing away at burnt-on food residue, keep looking. Act 3. Resolution. So is the Dash Rapid Electric Food Steamer worth it? /N. Well, that depends on what you're looking for. If you just need something quick and easy for occasional use, this might be a decent choice. /N. But if you're serious about cooking healthy meals or relying on this appliance as your primary kitchen tool, I'd advise against it. For the best price, click the link in the description. That being said, there are some redeeming qualities to this product that might make it worth considering for certain users. If you have limited space and want a modern-looking appliance that gets the job done, this could be a good option. /N. Therefore, if you're still on the fence, do your research and weigh your options carefully before making a decision. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found my review helpful. Don't forget to check out the link in the description below for the best price on Amazon.